Hello. Now we will do question 50, which is a reading comprehension question from MCAT 16. The question is, which of following is a unique characteristic of artists? And this is a specific question based on a specific detail given in the passage. And that detail is given in paragraph 4, and that line is, he learns how to embody the stages of cognition in an exterior work. So this is talking about the artist's ability, okay, to embody the stages of cognition in an exterior work. So embody is giving some kind of form. So he learns how to give a form to the stages of cognition, and that form is exterior work. An exterior work. Exterior means external. So the form is an external work, and this word is general. If the given idea is general, the answer option should also be general. Now we have to pick up the option which is the most general. Now if you look at these four options, let us start with the last option, option 4. This says the form is existential dilemma. Dilemma is a very specific thing. Okay, so this is eliminated. Even if you don't know what exactly dilemma means, existential is related to existence. So this is a very, very specific idea. The given idea is any external work. So this is general, this is very specific. So this option is eliminated because it is specific. If you look at the third one, the form is drama. Now drama is again an example of some kind of work. So this is also specific, this is eliminated. If you look at the second option says the form is eternal works of art. Eternal work, even if you don't know what eternal means, that work of art is eternal, but it says exterior, which is external. Now external is different from eternal. So this is what you can say, again specific, plus it is misrepresentation of the given idea. So second option is eliminated. If you look at the first option, which is the general idea, why it is general? Because it is saying a literary pattern. So pattern related to literature or writing. So that is external work. So which is the most general idea among the options, and therefore the answer is first.